Hello. Happy Valentine's Day, darling.
Oh yes.
Yes, it is.
Yes. I guess my roses are arriving a bit later today.
They will be. Yeah. Might be a bit late to order them, but I shall see what I can do.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're doing some deadheading. Yeah, what have we been up to over the winter then?
I don't know. Not an awful lot, really.
Yeah, it's been a bit wet, like everyone, really,
Yes.
hasn't it? Haven't been able to get out, but today, very lucky. So we're getting out, although we've had a couple of visitors this morning, which is nice.
Yeah.
And so just clearing up some hedgerow stuff which I cut yesterday. You're starting putting some mulch down, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we cut the trees out the front of the property because they were getting very, very tall, the silver birches. So myself and my brother did that Christmas Eve, I think it was, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, celebration for Christmas there, gave us something to do. So we chopped a good 15-20 foot off them and mulched all that up, and you are putting that on some of the flower beds.
Some of them, yeah. I've got to weed them first, though.
Yeah. We did, we had to re-roof the information hut. That was leaking, wasn't it?
I've got to redo all the information folders because they got wet.
Yeah. So I've put a new roof on that, which I'll put a little bit of a link in on that. And that's all sealed again properly. And it's, yeah. So that's what we've been doing. Let's just crack on for the rest of the day whilst we've got some dry weather, haven't we?
Yes. Yeah,
and go from there.
Yes.
All right.
Yep.
Good. So, speak
Get
to you
cracking.
soon. Yes, indeed.
The brambles are dreadful.
Time for a little bit of maintenance on the mower. It certainly works. Works very hard on this site here. It's always being used at least 2 to 3 times a week, if not more, as we try to keep the pitches nice and neat and tidy. So we need to, blade is very blunt, that needs sharpening, get that oil changed in it, have a quick look at the air filter as well, and give it a general clean up and see how we get on with that. Okay, so that's the blade sharpened, and it's all balanced stuff. That's nice and level, so it's got the same amount of metal either side, so we'll just stick that back on now. So like any other site, I'm sure, they suffer from the odd moles. So there I was cutting the grass this afternoon, make a change, and out in the open I have got 2 moles. There you go.
Oh, they're babies.
2 little moles there. That's what you call a mole catcher. Today having a little bit of a revamp of the greenhouse. Got a little bit left over the winter. Motivation, I suppose, really, with all the wet weather which we've had. So this bank of soil which we've got here, just digging all this out and going to refresh it with some soil which we've got down by the compost heap. A few years back, cut up a lot of turf, stacks it all up, and it's lovely loam soil now. As well as a lot of compost which we made. So I was working on the compost heap yesterday and have got some fantastic compost in there, really nice crumbly stuff. So we'll dig this out first, get some soil in and mix some of the new compost in with it, and start sowing some salad stuff in here now that it's starting to warm up. What are you doing in here then, Mandy?
I'm busy potting plants ready to sell. Just repotting last year's at the moment.
What else have we got in here then?
All our bedding plants, all our begonias for our pots. They're all overgrown with. Fuchsias, some grasses, some broccoli, and I've got to repot all that lot because they're all overgrown. These are growing nice as well. This
They're
must
lovely,
be
aren't
about Phil Mark 10, I reckon. Story there.
And if you've never been introduced to Phil, this is Phil, our Agave. So why have we named him Phil? Well, when we moved house, he was about quarter that size in a pot, and a good friend of ours, Phil, was helping us move house, and we were carrying the pot round to the back of the house, and these have incredible spikes on the end of them, very savage, and unfortunately it stabbed him. And fortunately it was only just to the side of the eye, not in the eye, so he vowed never to go near one again, so we named him Phil, and that's the story of Phil.
So just to sum up on our little charity for last year, we raised a total of £400 in the end, which is really good. All raised from our guests purchasing things in our little charity sale. And just want to say thank you to everybody that donated anything to sell, really. My sister, lots of knitting wool, and who else? Martin used to work with, the next colleague. He's donated loads of jigsaws, which is really nice of him, and mainly Andy and Sharon, really, because Sharon's made so many cards for us, and other bits and pieces which she's all donated, so that's really lovely. So thank you very much.
So that's pretty much it for beginning of spring.
Thank God for that.
Yeah, some sunshine at last. Yeah, got rid of all that miserable rain, and brought out the blossom. Look at this, even got a few bees on it already. Fantastic. So we've got a couple of trips planned, just a few nights away, Run Cottage, and the other one is
Walnut Tree Farm.
Yeah, that'd be
Hopefully.
interesting. Yeah. Yes, a little bit of a tile on that one, and so hopefully we'll get there. We should, but we're meant to be going with friends, and hopefully they will as well. Just thinking of them at the moment, and so we shall update you on those ones and see what brings us.
Yes.
Okay, so we shall see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.